If you want to download Google Chrome on Windows 7, this video will show you the fastest and safest way to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official download page, start the installer, and get Chrome set up on your PC. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open any browser that is already installed on your computer. It could be Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, or any other browser that still works on your Windows 7 PC. Once the browser opens, click inside the search bar or address bar at the top. This is where you'll type the search query to find the official Chrome download page. Type Chrome Download PC, and then press Enter on your keyboard. After the search results load, look carefully for the official Google website. You want the result that clearly comes from Google, because that is the safest place to download Chrome. Avoid random third-party websites, since those can include outdated files or unwanted software. Once you find the official Chrome page, click it to open the website. On the page, you should see the option to download Chrome. Click the Download Chrome button to begin the process. If your browser asks you to confirm the download, go ahead and approve it so the installer can start downloading. In just a moment, the Chrome installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser, you may see the file at the bottom of the window or in your Downloads folder. After the download finishes, you can open the installer file and follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. If you're on Windows 7, just make sure your system is connected to the internet and that you're using the official Chrome download page. That way, you get the correct version and a safer installation experience. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Chrome in Windows 7 the easy way. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.